Hello friends. Today's project is joystick and Arduino based 5 appliances control. This circuit can be used to turn on and off 5 different electrical appliances with one switch. We have used a joystick as a switch here. This circuit is specially designed for people who are handicapped and can use only their legs. So they can use their legs on a joystick to turn on and off 5 different electrical appliances. Let us take a look at the component list to develop this project. The first main component is the Arduino Uno board over which the code will run. The code is written on the Arduino IDE. One joystick is used as a switch to turn on and off 5 different appliances. A 5V LM7805 voltage regulator IC is used to get a fixed 5V input for our circuit. UM3562 sound generator IC is used to generate sound. An operation amplifier LM358 IC, NPN and PNP transistors are used for power supply circuits. Some capacitors and some resistors are also used. LEDs are used as indicators. Let us take a look at the circuit now. You can see the circuit diagram on screen. This is our joystick. 555 timers are used in toggle mode. Toggle mode is used as it works like if it is once on it will remain on until you turn off manually. This is our Arduino board. 5 relays are used to turn on and off the electrical appliances. After running source code on the Arduino board, assemble the circuit on the breadboard. This is how the assembled circuit on the breadboard looks. We have only used one 5V relay for the demonstration. We have connected 5 liters LEDs which indicate the on and off status of the appliances. This LED is representing the actual electric appliance. You have to connect the Arduino board with your laptop via this wire to upload the code. We have used 5 different pins of the Arduino board for 5 different appliances. This LED is for the first appliance, likewise these are for second, third, fourth and fifth appliances. There are 4 directions in which a joystick can move: up, down, right and left. This is how 4 appliances are controlled. Fifth appliance is controlled by pushing this button on the joystick. Let us see the demonstration now. This is the prototype of the circuit. Now on pressing the button on the joystick you can see the first LED toggles. On pressing it again the red LED representing the appliance turns off. On moving the joystick to the left, the next LED toggles. Third is the down direction of the joystick and the third LED toggles. Fourth is the right direction and the next LED toggles. Similarly, on moving the joystick to the up direction, fifth LED toggles. This LED is representing the electrical appliance in our prototype. You have to connect the actual electrical appliance like bulb or fan in place of this LED. We have designed this circuit on a breadboard, but while actually installing this circuit at your home or office you can make this circuit on a general purpose PCB and install it with actual appliances. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience. Thank you.